Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the fascinating stories of historical figures. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey through the life of one of Islam's most influential personalities, Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab, the second Caliph of Islam. Join us as we trace his life from the time when he was a staunch enemy of Islam to his remarkable transformation into a devoted follower of the faith. Early life in pre-Islamic days. Umar ibn Khattab was born around 584 CE into a respected family of the Quraysh tribe in Mecca. He belonged to the Banu Adi clan, known for its strength and influence in the city. From a young age, Umar displayed qualities of leadership, and he gained fame for his exceptional physical and mental prowess. His character was marked by honesty, integrity, and fearlessness. Before embracing Islam, Umar strongly opposed the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and openly challenged the early Muslim community. He actively persecuted Muslims, and his opposition was so vehement that he earned the nickname, Al-Faruq, which means the one who distinguishes truth from falsehood. Despite his antagonistic stance, Umar's strong principles and sense of justice were respected even by his enemies. The moment of revelation one day, fueled by anger and frustration over the growing popularity of Islam, Umar set out with the intention of assassinating the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. However, during his journey, he had a profound encounter that changed his life forever. As he approached the house where the Prophet was praying, he overheard verses from the Quran being recited. These words deeply moved him, and upon learning that his sister and brother-in-law had already embraced Islam, he decided to confront them first. When he entered their home and witnessed their unwavering faith, Umar's heart softened, and he openly declared his acceptance of Islam. This pivotal moment marked a significant turning point in the history of Islam and became a source of inspiration for countless Muslims throughout the ages. Part 3. Embracing Islam and dedication to the faith. Umar's conversion to Islam brought about a significant change in his life. He immediately started to openly profess his faith, defying the threats and opposition from his fellow Quraysh tribesmen. His conversion boosted the morale of the Muslim community, as it provided a strong and influential supporter for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Umar's dedication to Islam was unmatched. He participated actively in the struggles and battles faced by the early Muslim community, displaying exceptional bravery and valor on the battlefield. His commitment to justice and righteousness earned him a reputation as a fair and principled leader among the Muslims. Umar's caliphate and contributions. After the passing of the first caliph, Abu Bakr, Umar was chosen as the second caliph of Islam in 634 CE. His caliphate is regarded as one of the most remarkable periods in Islamic history. Under his leadership, the Islamic State expanded rapidly, conquering large parts of the Byzantine and Sasanian empires. Umar implemented various administrative reforms, establishing a well-organized governance structure that included the appointment of competent governors and administrators in different regions. He was known for conducting regular inspections and ensuring the welfare of his subjects. Umar also introduced a standardized currency and welfare systems to support the poor and vulnerable members of society. Umar's legacy and impact. Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab's legacy remains profound in the annals of Islamic history. His rule exemplified the highest standards of governance and justice, which continue to be revered by Muslims worldwide. His emphasis on social justice, accountability, and simplicity set a precedent for future Islamic leaders. During his reign, Umar ensured the just distribution of resources and equitable treatment of all citizens, regardless of their social status or background. His leadership laid the foundation for the golden age of Islamic civilization, marked by advancements in science, arts, and literature. The administrative system he established continued to shape the Islamic world long after his caliphate. His contributions to Islamic jurisprudence and legal principles, known as Qanon-e-Umari, further enriched Islamic law and governance. Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab's journey from being a staunch opponent of Islam to becoming the second caliph is a testament to the transformative power of faith and the capacity for change within individuals. His life is a source of inspiration, reminding us of the importance of integrity, justice, and compassion in leadership. As we remember the remarkable legacy of Hazrat Umar, let us draw inspiration from his unwavering commitment to justice and service to humanity. May his story continue to inspire generations to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge of this remarkable historical figure. Thank you for watching, and may peace be upon you all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share History by Ziad.